हेलो एवरीवन। आज का टॉपिक है वुमेंस राइटिंग। वुमेंस राइटिंग पेपर cc-606 HNG यूनिवर्सिटी पाटन BA इंग्लिश सेमेस्टर 6 में आता है। इसका आज का टॉपिक है एमिली डिकिंसन की पोएम आई एम वाइफ आई हैव फिनिश दैट। ये एक टॉपिक है, ठीक है, और 16th को एग्ज़ाम होने वाले इससे रिलेटेड है। ये कोई टाइटल नहीं है, एमिली डिकिंसन ने कोई टाइटल नहीं दिया था अपनी पोएम का, जस्ट हम फर्स्ट लाइन को टाइटल कंसिडर करते हैं। एमिली डिकिंसन्स पोएम एक्सप्लोर आई एम वाइफ आई हैव फिनिश दैट एक्सप्लोर्स themes of identity, transition and societal expectations placed on women. So stanza 1 देखते हैं। I am wife, I have finished that other state. I am czar, I am woman now. It's safer so. So ये फर्स्ट स्टांजा है, 4 लाइन का फर्स्ट स्टांजा। इसको हम क्वाट्रेन बोलते हैं। The speaker declares that she has transitioned from being a girl or spinster, if I pronounce this, if I say it correctly, spinster, okay, to being a wife. So इस poem में however she is not married, however in reality she was an unmarried woman, but she assumes that she was a spinster. In this poem particularly, she assumes that she was a spinster and now she has become a wife. She sees being a wife as a completed state, implying a sense of finality or accomplishment. The comparison of being a wife to being a tsar suggests a position of authority or power. The speaker also suggests that being a wife is safer than the previous state. So this is the analysis of the first stanza. I'm doing it again. I am wife, I finished that other state. I'm czar, I'm woman now. It's safer so. You could also write this stanza, this 4-line stanza, if you are answering the long question. Let's look at second stanza. How odd the girl's life looks behind this soft eclipse. I think that earth feels so to folks in heaven now. Eclipse means सूर्य ग्रहण, ठीक है, when a celestial body completely blocks another celestial body, that is eclipse. So how odd the girl's life looks behind this soft eclipse. I think that earth feels so to folks in heaven now. Analysis. The speaker reflects on how strange life as a girl seems now that she is a wife, likening it to viewing the world during an eclipse, where things appear distorted or obscured. She imagines that the perspective of being in a heaven would similarly alter one's perception of life on earth. So the speaker wants to say that how strange she feels as a spinster, non-married woman, non-married girl, an old girl, unmarried old girl, and then she becomes a wife, and like she compares it to an eclipse where things appear distorted or obscured. She imagines that the perspective of being in heaven would similarly alter one's perception of life on earth. She compares different position, the life on heaven and earth. So she sees herself on heaven when she has become a wife. You could how odd the girl's life looks behind this soft eclipse. She doesn't like being unmarried. I think that earth feels so to fox in heaven now. So now third stanza. This being comfort then, that other kind was pain. But why compare? I'm wife, stop there. So the speaker asserts that being a wife brings comfort compared to the previous state, that is, spinster, an unmarried woman, an old unmarried woman, which she characterizes as painful. The previous state of her was painful. She questions the need for comparison and emphasizes her identity as a wife. She questions the need for comparison. She says there is no need to compare her previous state, that is, a spinster, and now as a wife. Have I told you the meaning of the word czar? I haven't told you the meaning of the word czar, I think. The meaning of the word czar is one having great power or authority. But before, in olden days, the meaning of the word czar was a Russian emperor. Okay? An emperor from Russia means czar. But nowadays we use czar word, we mean it as one having great power or authority. Okay, now let's look at third stanza. Now this is over. Okay, there are 3 stanzas in the poem. So I'm Wife, I finished that by Emily Dickinson is an interesting and metaphorical poem. She uses metaphor to compare a single woman's life to a wife. Okay, wife's life. In the first line of the poem, the speaker says that she is now a wife. We know that. Okay, now the structure. If I talk about the structure of the poem, Emily Dickinson's poem I'm Wife, I have finished that has 3 stanzas, each 4 lines, called quatrains. ये जो पोएम है 4 लाइन के स्टांजा वाली है, 3 स्टांजा है, एक स्टांजा में 4 लाइन्स है, 4 लाइन्स को क्वार्ट्रेन कहते हैं. It follows a pattern called iambic trimeter. However, it doesn't strictly follow. In some cases, it follows a pattern called iambic dimeter. For instance, the 4th line of the first part is a good example of this shorter pattern. Okay, this is the 4th line of the first stanza. It's safer, so there are only 4 syllables. Okay, some lines are shorter with only 4 syllables. Okay, and when there are only 4 syllables, we call it iambic dimeter. Okay, so this was the poem by Emily Dickinson. एमिली डिकिंसन अपनी पोएम्स को इस तरह, देखिए ये स्क्रिप्ट है, वो अपनी पोएम को नाम्स नहीं देते हैं, हम फर्स्ट लाइन को ही नाम कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो पेपर cc-606 वुमेन्स राइटिंग, एमिली डिकिंसन, आई एम वाइफ. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड अनदर वीडियो tomorrow.